Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious egg stew. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You will need fresh, ripe tomatoes, 1 large onion, and 1 bell pepper to build a flavorful base. For the main star, prepare about 6 to 8 large eggs. Don't forget your cooking oil, 2 seasoning cubes, and a pinch of salt to enhance all the wonderful flavors. This simple dish is incredibly versatile and satisfying. Now, let's begin crafting the rich and aromatic base for our egg stew. Start by finely dicing 1 large onion and 2 medium tomatoes. These will form the core of our sauce. Next, slice 1 bell pepper into thin, elegant strips, adding both visual appeal and a subtle sweetness. Heat about 2 tablespoons of your chosen vegetable oil in a medium-sized pot over a steady medium heat, preparing for the next step. With our oil hot, it's time to build the stew's depth. Sauté the diced onions until they are beautifully translucent and release their sweet aroma. Then, introduce the diced tomatoes and bell peppers, allowing them to cook down for approximately 10 minutes, softening and blending. Stir in 2 seasoning cubes and a 1/4 teaspoon of salt for perfect flavor. Then carefully crack your eggs directly into the simmering stew, spacing them evenly. Almost there. Cover the pot and let the eggs poach gently within the simmering stew for about 5 to 7 minutes. This allows the whites to set beautifully while the yolks cook to your preferred consistency, from runny to firm. Once cooked, your flavorful egg stew is ready to be enjoyed. Serve it piping hot alongside fluffy rice, soft boiled yam, or a slice of crusty bread for a truly satisfying meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.